Hi, I'm PH, the founder of SnigelDesign, and this is our 30-liter backpack that we've been doing for many years and constantly have been improving. It now has our Herma buckles, which means that you have a male and a female in both sides. And what is the purpose of that? You can do like this. You wouldn't be able to do that with another type of backpack. So this now is a shoulder strap instead if you make it longer. On the back we have got normal padding, and in the bottom you have an ability to attach our spoon system in the bottom, which can attach to a belt, makes it easier for you to carry. The shoulder straps can be opened like this, and then they can be inserted behind the back like this, and then you can take the straps here and make them into a shoulder strap, or you can just carry it in the handle here or in the handle here. This one is small enough to fit as a cabin luggage. On the shoulder straps we have an elastic band and a firm band where you can attach the microphone to the radio. And the antenna and the cable from the radio can come out through this hole in the top, or a hydration system can also come out here. The main compartment has a reinforced zipper, which is stiffer, to make it easier to open and close. On the inside we have a clean face here where you can attach the hydration system, and a place with a zipped pocket here and a mesh zipped pocket. These black things are for cables running into the outside compartment. So if you have a Manpack radio here and you put the computer in here, they can be connected through these holes that we have here. So they go all the way from the inside to the outside compartment. And in the outside compartment we have a mesh pocket with zipper, and we have 3 elastic pockets where you can attach magazines or put in magazines. These loops are for securing the things you carry in the bag. The top compartment is the same. It's got an elastic mesh or a mesh zipped pocket and 3 elastic compartments. The bottom of the bag is insulated with a 5mm foam to insulate the Manpack radio if you carry it inside here, to keep the batteries running longer. So the Specialist backpack, 30-liter Specialist backpack from Snigel.